Okay. So Wintima, how was the session?
Yeah, I think it's very powerful. You got a loaded coaching program, and I think with this coaching, there's no way I can fail. Yeah. So if you ask me to, um,
Okay, can you tell
let's
me what three things did you learn from this coaching, this session?
yeah, I think I learned that. Um, yeah, I think I learned that CPA or in digital marketing has its own way of operation, and you are able to use certain animals, to relate to how CPA marketing works, like the way an elephant cannot climb a tree, and a fish cannot, a monkey cannot, survive in water. The same way, there are certain skill sets that one need to acquire to be able to, succeed in digital marketing.
Awesome. What is the second thing that you learned?
Yeah, the other thing too is that you need the right network. You need the right CPA network, the right tools, like tracking tools to be able to succeed. And I think you coined that into what you call the logistics, or is it algorithm, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you need the right network, you need the right tools,
And what is the third thing
to
that
be
you
able
learned?
to succeed. And then I also learned the fact that some of these things you need to be able to increase your income, you need to increase your knowledge, and to increase your earning curve, you need to increase your learning curve or your knowledge curve, and that is very phenomenal.
Okay, awesome, awesome. Thank you for giving me your feedback